Alright, I got something new for you today. This is from Black Scout Survivor. This is his newest addition to what he's got going on his website. I saw him put a video out on it a few weeks ago, or maybe a week ago. I forget when it was exactly. But I've always been real interested in lockpicking, so when I seen he released a book on how to do it, since it's something that when you watch a video, it's like one thing, but the mind always learns a little bit more when you read it and you actually do it, and you can go back and read it. It's just a little easier for me. So when I seen he came out with a book, I was real excited. I jumped right on it and bought it. It's fairly cheap. The book and the two lock picks that you don't have to buy, but I chose to buy them with it. It was $34.99, I want to say, and then the hat I bought too was $24.99. So it came. God, I ordered this stuff on Thursday or Friday, I think it was, and it just showed up. So pretty awesome shipping. He shipped it right out. So that's cool. So these are titanium lock picks. You don't have to buy these. You can just buy the book. I actually have I have a couple of different lock picks from him. So these are Word-It lock keys. They're for Word-It padlocks. And then in my VanQuest wallet, you guys know, for my EDC, I always keep a pair of titanium flat lock picks for my wallet. These are kind of difficult to use. These look like they're going to be a little bit easier. So now I have these and the Word-It ones. There's still a couple other things I want to get to add to it to make my lock picking kit complete. There's all kinds of different ones. Like on this first page here, it shows you like different rakes and tension wrenches and stuff to get. Like I said, I'm not gonna show you what's in the book. It's real simple though. You know how he's got it laid out. Different techniques, how to insert and how to catch the different cylinders and rake and the tension wrenches and what it does and everything. It's just real easy and simple. That's why it says right on there, lock picking simplified. Yeah, so pretty cool. I just thought you guys may be interested in that. So I always keep these in my wallet. And I've used those multiple times at work for somebody had locked their excuse me. Like somebody lost their key to their desk, and desk drawers are real easy to open. They're just pretty much like one cylinder in there, and you just pull it up and turn it. But they're pretty easy. You can open that with any other key most of the time. But I actually didn't even. I could have probably just stuck one of these in there and used it. But practice. Just finding the different tumblers and stuff and. And you see in Hollywood movies they open it with one hand and stuff. That's impossible. You need a tension bar always to turn it and put tension on it. So it's just a skill that I think is very useful. Not to promote any illegal activities, obviously, or nothing like that. But it's just a survival situation. You got to hide and conceal yourself kind of situation. You can't get into somewhere. You need to get out of Dodge. There's just so many uses for lockpicking. It's a very useful skill to have. So if that's something you're interested in, I'll put the link in my description. I have figured out how to do that somewhat, so we'll do that, and he will be in there. I'm not going to show you what's inside the book, and in another video I'll show you what I've learned so far from it once I master some of these things and get some more stuff going on. I bought a couple of different locks from Walmart and Home Depot so I can play around with. But overall, I think this is definitely something I always wanted to learn how to pick locks, and it's already come into use a few times. The guy down the body something has a pick locks. Really? And I didn't even think I was gonna open it, and in 3 seconds I had that thing open. I'm like, oh my god! And I look like the man for 30 seconds, but yeah. And then I'm just like, yeah, it was really easy, but I didn't say that. I'm like, oh yeah, these are hard. These are so hard. It's so easy. But, anyways, Black Scout Survivor, awesome product. I mean, I've been buying stuff from him for a while now. I always like Jack, and all his stuff is pretty awesome. I always carry one of his BA what's this thing called? Black Scout pen BS pen P. I don't know. Anyway, it's a aluminum pen and made out of AR-15 aluminum grade. And it's got the pen. Obviously, I put a Fisher space filler in there. Doesn't come with that, but you can put it in easy enough. And then it has the carbide tip for self-defense, cracking skulls and pressure points, or just as simple as breaking a window. So multiple uses for this. This is my pen that I love this thing. You see, I already cracked a window with it in a video if you want to find that. You know, so it definitely works. Believe me, there's a video. I have a video on it. He has a video on it. This thing works. And you don't take much. I mean, toot and a little tap, and that thing's love tap. You know, I say love tap, I mean like, and it thing shattered. You check the video out. So and then, you know, these work because I use them. I use the ones in my wallet. I haven't used these yet, but I'm gonna play around with it. Show you guys what I've learned in a future video. So anyway, lock picking for simplified, not for dummies. Nobody's a dummy on this channel. We're not judging no one. We're all pretty smart, intelligent, intellectual human beings. And I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Wait a minute. I feel like I almost forgot. Did I show you the hat? The hat, I didn't explain the hat. So I'm growing my hair out this year, as you can see. It's in my beard. So I'm kind of be wearing a lot of hats this year, this summer. It's the worst time to grow your hair in the summer. But I'm a man of my word. When I say I'm going to do something, I'm doing it. Now, I'm not talking about the sides. I'm probably going to cut the sides. But as far as the top, I'm letting that bad boy go. I want my hair back. And, yeah. So, I bought this hat to wear for the summer. It's a trucker hat. Black Scout Survivor. Oh, I always say that wrong. He's probably like, this kid's an idiot. But, yeah. Black Scout Survival. Trucker hat, Liberty, the story, the Liberty flag. I know it when I read it, but I don't know it right now. But I know it's a story about some war guy. I forget off the top of my head. But there is a story behind it. I've read the story so many times, I don't know why I can't think of what it is. It's from like oh my god. Don't ask me dates and stuff right now. I look really stupid right now, don't I? Incredibly stupid as I look, it's still an awesome hat. With the white, it's going to get filthy dirty, but that's what's cool about the hat like this. It's camo. It's going to build patina on it. But it looks good backwards, and I just make things look good for Jack over there at Black Scout. So you're welcome. Anyway, I'll check you guys later. This video is way past the limit I wanted to make it. I'll see you guys later. Peace.